mentioned that we can use Java, Scala, or Python. The Scala is based on Java, so when we use Scala, Java virtual machines are created. If we use Scala or Java, the Java virtual machines will be created. So what happens is we have a master-slave architecture, and the master is called a driver. So there is one central coordinator called driver. And then we have executors or worker nodes. So for Java, this will be happening. This Spark context is invoked by the driver or program, which is the central coordinator, and it goes through the cluster manager, which is going to assign tasks on multiple nodes. In this case, they're called executors or worker nodes. So this is the scheduler. This cluster manager will make the schedule. Which node is going to do what processing and assign the work to them. So that is the concept of a container. This is what the container is. So it contains some task, an executor, and a task to execute, and it can have cache also if we want to cache some of the data and keep it in memory. So the driver runs in its own Java process, and executors run in their own Java process. Now, if we have Python, it is the same situation. There is a driver and an executor. However, the Python code has to be converted to a Java virtual machine. And to do that, it launches this Python for Java. So Python for Java, the Spark context will use that to convert the Python code and to feed it into a Java virtual machine. The executor, since they run in a Java virtual machine, they need to communicate to the Python tasks through something called a pipe. So if we have Python, then it's a little bit more complicated because in the driver, in the central coordinator, we have to invoke Python to Java to feed into Java virtual machine, and the executors who are the Java virtual machines need to speak to the sub-processes through pipes. So this is an example of streaming. Kafka is a streaming software that allows for input streams. So the input streams will come through the Kafka tool into the Spark. So there is a worker node or executor that's going to be processing the streams, and then another worker node produces the results from the processed stream that can be fed through the Kafka or through HDFS into a consumer of these processed streams. So that's going to be the output of the streams.